1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Granddad. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Many more birthdays to come.
What are your wishes for Granddads?
I wish Granddad had a long life.
Like what? Like how old?
1,000,000.
Kanino kaya nagmanang ugali ito? No? Kanino kaya nagmanang ugali?
You.
Oh, sige. Oh, what's your wish for Granddad, Denise?
I
Bigit pa eh.
wish that.
Ano?
I wish Granddad give us 100. I wish Granddad had $100 so he can give us $100.
I-interpret mo nga yan.
Sabi niya, gusto niya sana si Granddad may 100,000 dogs para bibigyan daw kami ni Granddad ng 100 dogs.
Magmumukhang aso na tayo nun na.
Yun.
How about Mommy? Anong wish ni Mommy
I wish for Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy Pio. We miss you so dearly. But we rejoice with you because we know that the Lord is so faithful to you and He has given you another year to live, and we are so happy. My wish for you is that may you have, of course, many more years to come, and we wish that whatever your heart's desire for this year, the Lord will grant it according to His will and according to His time. We love you, Granddad. Daddy Pio, we are so proud to have you as our father. And sana nandyan kami, pero wala, narito pa rin kami. Hopefully, siguro next birthday, baka nandyan na kami. Happy birthday.
Wala na akong sasabihin, sinabi niya na lahat. Tapos na. Tapos na yun eh. Yun ang gusto ko sana sabihin eh. Kaya sinabi niya na. Kaya yun na rin po. Yun na rin ang ano.
And many more. Me too.
Oh, sige, okay, Debbie. Isa pang wish. Ang dami ng wish, no? Oh, sige, okay, you.
I wish that my I wish that Granddad can go to our house and see it. I was gonna wish that.
Wow. Oh, sige, anong wish mo?
That was the same wish.
Yun.
Oh,
wait. I wish that Grandpa will see our house and go to Disney World with us. And Casey and Ivy.
And?
Oh.
And Ninong po and Tita Kela and
Tita Kan.
Tita Cantor. And
May isa pa.
Grandma.
Bagong baby. Si
And Pia.
Pia. Sino pa? Marami pa.
Everybody
Si Lolo.
that's in the Philippines. And everybody.
How about Lolo?
Sinong Lolo? Si Lolo?
Cesar.
Lolo Cesar.
Lolo Cesar. Nandyan din si Lolo Cesar ngayon.
No?
Yeah, he's watching.
Yeah, he's watching. Say hi, Lolo
Maybe
Cesar.
he's not.
Say hi, Lolo Cesar.
Hi.
At yun lang po aming pagbati sa inyo, Daddy. At sana po kayo ay maraming pang birthdays. At magkikita tayo sigurado next year sa birthday niyo ulit sa isang taon. 64 years old na si Daddy.
Wow.
64.
64. Is that 100?
Matagal pa ng konti sa 100.
So Mom's gonna die? First?
We are the
Tika family.
Rayuel.
Christine.
Debbie.
We're from the Philippines. And we'd like to say, maligayang kaarawan.
Maligayang kaarawan.
Ano?
I don't know right now.
Isa-isa.
Happy birthday na lang.
Alis sa isa. Maligaya.
Maligaya.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
love you.